Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. Today, we dive into the dynamic world of stock trading, comparing two popular strategies, day trading and swing trading. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, understanding these approaches can significantly impact your trading journey. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights. First up, let's define day trading. Day traders open and close positions within the same day, aiming to capitalize on short-term price movements. It requires constant attention to the market and quick decision-making. Now let's explore the key characteristics of day trading. First up is high-frequency trading within a single day. It's capitalizing on intraday price volatility, and it's using technical analysis and chart patterns. Here's a good example, CRBP. I came across on our low float screener on Friday. As you can see here, I have the pre-market high, pre-market low, and then you have the day's high. So this is in the pre-market session on CRBP, and it just started climbing right here at 8 o'clock. And what we look for is, when it comes to low floats, don't go chasing a low float for no reason. CRBP had news on Friday, and that is the catalyst that was needed to get this stock running. And then it just kept breaking out, making new highs. So the pre-market high was $17.52. Once the market opened, it ran right through that level. So the level of $17.52, and it ran all the way to $39.96. So yes, the stock was up 249%, but that's unreal, unless you had inside information or that knew that the next day there was a play coming. You didn't, or you've been a long-term holder of CRBP for you like the science, it's a biotech for whatever reason. But if you are, if you just found out about CRBP on Friday, it was through, if you could buy in pre-market, or you waited till the session opened. And once it went through that pre-market high, the stock just never looked back. And, this is a clear momentum breakout strategy. This is, momentum 101. It doesn't get any clearer than CRBP on Friday. So these are the things that we look at. Again, day trading, it comes down to, do you have the time to follow the market? Do you have the time in the morning to do the screens and look for these types of setups? If you don't, again, there are alert services to sign up for, and we run a free service here at Insider Financial, which I'll talk about more towards the end of the video. But moving on to swing trading, this is a strategy that takes a slightly different approach. Swing traders hold positions for a few days to weeks, aiming to capture swings in the market. This strategy is ideal for those who can't monitor the market all day. And there are a lot of key aspects to swing trading. It involves, like I said, holding positions for days to weeks. It's capitalizing on medium-term trends, and it's incorporating both technical and fundamental analysis. And here, as you can see, this is, as I talked about, for day trading. But then I have for, swing trading, you can use all kinds of time frames. I still like the 10-minute because I still like I'm more short-term focused. But this here is using a trading script on TradingView by Ripster's EMA Clouds, and it incorporates moving averages, trend changes. But this is the cloud here. So the beauty is, if you are a swing trader, that this basically tells you that it is, above this, it is a long, and to stay in the trade. Yes, you get some of these short-term pullbacks, which, are opportunities for day traders, but, you're basically, you're fighting the trend. You're trying to, capture a dollar or $2 move when the real move here is, from 20 to 33. That's a $13 move. Again, it's all about risk reward. How much are you willing to risk to how much are you willing to make? I'm a big believer in try to, risk as little as possible to make as much as possible. So, you got to really define your risk reward parameters. That is so important when it comes to trading. But a couple of other, plays you can look at for, in terms of swing trading, Netflix. This stock here had great earnings, but it kept you in. I know a lot of people were trying to top tick Netflix, but the fact is it had great earnings. Yeah, there was some, week longs, the booking profits, but, the stock, ran to 562.50 on the day that it announced earnings, but it pulled back to 543 and then it moved to 579 on Friday. So again, as a swing trade, this was a longer term setup. And when I say longer term, just a few days. So again, you can define how long you want to stay in these plays. And the key is with swing trading, just don't fight the trend. That is the key. If you're fighting the trend, you're really, really going to get hit. And if you want to, as I was saying, comparing the risk and reward profiles of day trading and swing trading, if you are, solely day trading, you're going to have high frequency trading. You're going to be trading a lot more, and that leads to more transactions. So you have the potential for quick profits, but you also have the, potential for quick losses, and it requires a much more substantial time commitment if you're day trading. In terms of the morning, if you're swing trading, you can just on your app, you can just, set your levels, buy it and go back to work, or if you're a student, whatever you're doing. If you are day trading, you have to be monitoring that market. If you are a day trader, again, the best time to trade is the first hour of trading, 9:30 to 10:30. Those are where you're going to have your biggest pops, your biggest moves, and if you want to just work for a couple hours a day and be done by 10:30, that is a great strategy if you want to transition from whatever you're doing into trading more full time. In terms of swing trading, if the risk and rewards are balanced, there are fewer transactions. So that reduces transaction costs. But, that's not as important these days. If you sign up with Webull, Robinhood, it's all free trading. It allows for a much more relaxed trading pace and allows you to hold positions through potential market fluctuations. If you are looking a little bit longer term, you don't get, you're not a nervous long. You don't get shook out by, a pullback. NVIDIA is a prime example of a market that does that. I'll pull this up here, and you can see what I'm talking about in terms of NVIDIA. If you day trading it, you made some money, but the stock has just been on an absolute tear. In 1 year, it's up 209%. Year to date, it's already up 23%. So buying and holding, NVIDIA, you made a lot of money in the last year. So again, it's really what, as I'm going to talk about here, your skill set and your personality traits. Trading just isn't about strategies. It's also about aligning your approach with your skills and personality. And, we're going to explore the skill sets and personality that suit each trading style. First up, for day trading, it's quick decision making, discipline, and focus. You have to be very disciplined. If you talk to any long, successful traders that's been doing this for a long time, they will say the first thing is discipline. So be disciplined. That is probably the most important trading, psychological trait that you need, and you have to be able to manage stress and emotions. In terms of swing trading skills and traits, you have to be patient. You have to wait for the right setups that you define as what setups you're looking for. You need analytical skills for comprehensive research. You need to be thinking longer term, how things are going to affect that stock's price or that price action. And you need the emotional resilience for potential longer term swings. case in point, like Nvidia, it's up 200% for the last year, but I'm sure if you are a swing trader, there was a lot of traders that, it was up 20%, they got out, up 50%, got out, up 100%. It's actually harder to stay in my opinion, it's really hard to stay in a winner. It's so tempting to just hit that, button to sell, to get out, to book that profit. You feel so good about yourself. So again, it's really developing what strategy, really developing which strategy is right for you. And that is the $1 million question. Which strategy is right for you? It ultimately depends on your goals, time commitment, and risk tolerance. And you need to consider these factors when deciding which path to take. And when it comes to choosing that right strategy, assess your availability to monitor the market, define your risk tolerance and your financial goals, and consider your personality traits and trading preferences. In conclusion, whether you're drawn to the fast-paced world of day trading or the more laid-back approach of swing trading, remember that success in the stock market comes down to understanding yourself, your goals, and the strategies that align with them. Experiment, learn, and adapt. That's the key to thriving in the ever-changing world of stock trading. And here at Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And if you want our pre-market alerts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it's 1 plus area code and number. And we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.